northern New Jersey, Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey until 8:30 p.m. At 7:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms will repeat along our area. Morristown to Millstone to
Shut up.
Trenton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Somerville, Sandy Hook, Somerset, Edison, Lakewood, Middletown, Old Bridge, Howell, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Marlborough, Penelope, and Ewing. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 12. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 38 and 42. Interstate 195 in New Jersey.
Alright, I'm going on myself. Screw it.
Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 59 and 71. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 16. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 93 and 133. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, and Somerset.
Oh, finally.
The National Weather
There's not
Service
gonna double header.
forecasts